like, it gets so easy to forget, right? It gets so easy to just forget, like, holy crud, like, I'm alive. I have a physical body right now, and I get to do some work and really make, and what I mean by that is, like, I get to figure out why I'm here, what I came to learn, what I came to experience, what I came to accomplish, create, and experience. And even the hard, and so all the hard stuff, all the challenges that we've been through are part of this process. And so to have the attitude of, what is this situation teaching me? What is this job loss teaching me? What is this health issue teaching me? What is this relationship issue teaching me? What do I need to learn? What pattern do I need to change? What pattern do I need to change? What